We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and I'm working with the Brother HL-3070CW. So there's only two places you're going to find your jams in this machine. The first thing, if you don't see the paper like semi sticking out here, I would check the back first. If you see the paper here, you'll just want to open the back, pull it up and out. Anytime you're clearing a jam, you want to go slow and be very gentle with it. Otherwise, you could rip paper off inside the printer or damage parts. Nobody wants that. So, make sure to pull it up and out gently. If you're back in here, be very careful because it will be hot. If you're not seeing it there or it's hard to get out, what you're going to need to do is open your top hatch and then remove each drum. And then once you remove the drum, you should see the paper right in here. If you don't see it, it's you'll probably have to put your printer in for a service. When you are putting the toners back in the printer, make sure you put it in the correct color slot. So that would be where you would find your jams. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.